is a series of challenges. Challenges encountered. Challenges to overcome. We've all been living through an unprecedented time, a time that presents itself only once in a lifetime. As you have rightfully focused on your patients and their well-being, here at Endologics, we have been pushing forward, living our mission, focusing on quality, innovating, earning your trust. Like Einstein believed, we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Today's challenges can only be solved with new thinking and new technology. Clinical evidence continues to demonstrate long-term therapeutic challenges with EVAR, troubles with maintaining proximal fixation, seal, and continued aneurysm sac expansion. As AAA repair has advanced, now comes the next step in the evolution of EVAR. Endologics is proud to introduce ALTO. Anatomically adaptive seal conforms to each patient's unique anatomy. Ultra-low profile at 15 French OD. Broad indications to treat the widest range of patients. Anatomically adaptive sealing technology demonstrates 5-year durability across graft sizes. And it features highly conformable, smooth, fully laminated iliac limbs. ALTO, the next step in our journey